Hi and welcome back to Top Car Detailing. We've been really busy over the last few weeks working on some more fantastic cars and more things happening too in the background. Our new website has now been launched, so if you'd like to check that out at www.topcardetailing.co.uk, we've got loads of information on there about our services and luxury car detailing as well. So if you've got a high-end car like Porsche, Ferraris, Bentleys, that type of thing, and you're looking for the best of the best in paint correction and ceramic coatings, don't hesitate to check that out as well. I'll put some links as well below in the section here, and if you click on them, and then that will take you to our website. We also specialise too in body kits as well as detailing here, and we've got a BMW 4 Series been dropped off this morning for this type of work to be done. So another video coming shortly as well. So if you'd like a body kit fitted on your car, don't hesitate, give us a call. And there's got another page too on the website for you to have a look at and some more details coming up. We'll have a full video too going up of me installing the kit as well on this fantastic car. Anyway, it's just a short video this, but I thought, I'd just hop on board and let you guys know what's going on. So I'll have to go now, but I'm going to be very busy and I'll be back soon with another video. But if you like, don't forget hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll be notified once our next video goes live. Until next time, catch you later.